Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Coach Chiefs uCedric Keza mekhuluma nemedia bafethu uthe i-Chiefs ayinayo inkinga ye-defense. Is surprised ukuthi abantu baloke bakhuluma ngayo lento le. And then he went on to explain ukuthi they're one of the best defenders or defense in the league and so forth. I think into abalekela from yona lana bafethu ukuthi ku-careful ilento le esibuya kuyo kuleya game le ukuthi oyiNasho Miguel benza amaphutha okungamelanga bawenze, but naye ushilo ukuthi benze le bhola leli bekungamelanga baliconcede or la goal leli abaliconcede that could have been avoided. But-ke uthi abantu they shouldn't take away from ukuthi i-Chiefs they are the best defense. I think you can defend well, you can elikini they've defended well, abaconcede amagoli amaningi to be honest, but-ke lawo ma-mistake lawo kumele bawafake under i-microscope. Why? Because of ku-continental level it's far different from i-league. Ama-mistake amancane bashaya phakathi igoli, to be fair. I mean lento le yaqala ubheka ukuthi maningi amabhola ama-set pieces kunzima or ama-aerial balls okunzima ukuthi badile nawo because of they've conceded almost every game mawubheka ku-CAF Confederations Cup. Ngiyazi ukuthi mangithi almost every game abantu bazothi hayi first leg or second leg yakuphi bazange baconcede, but just make le game le ama-prelim rounds i-game yodwa i-first leg and second leg, and then you see ukuthi oh okay they are good in terms of going forward and creating opportunities ku-continental level, but you study the goals that they've conceded. Igoli labaliconcede laphana e-Angola questionable, which there was no communication between ama-two defenders, which was uPaseka Mako no Eden McCarthy at the time. Bahluleka ukudila nebhola because of umuntu wayephakathi kwabo wakwazi ukushaya phakathi. eDobsonville i-defense yalala ba-comfortable ba-leader 3, but i-defense out of the blue nje leya team yakwazi ukukora. So i-defense yabo at times baluza leyo concentration. Peterson sevimbe kahle kakhulu for i-Chiefs, so abangabalekeli lama-question lawa or lento leyo ukuthi i-defense i-shake. Just ukuthi abaconsider akusho ukuthi i-defense ayikho shake, especially ku-continental level bafowethu. You get punished, bayakora abantu ngama-chances amancane, so you have to minimize ukuthi abantu bangatholi ama-opportunities lawa abawatholayo unnecessary. I think bafuna ujustify lento leyo because of bafuna ukuqala ngoyiNasho Miguel. I think bazoqala ngoyiNasho Miguel futhi kule match le ezodlalwa neZamalek. Mancane amathuba ukuthi iNasho Miguel aqale ebhentshini, but it's just my prediction because of me-addressa i-media ekhuluma ngalento lena, it shows ukuthi obvious ba-protect iNasho Miguel. There's nothing wrong bafuna ukumqalisa, angithi babona ukuthi is the best option for i-Chiefs, so abenze-ke lokho ababona ukuthi it's the best option for bona, but they mustn't hide away from the fact ukuthi there are problems with defense, ukuthi bakorwa la kungamelanga bakore khona. They defend very well, but how they concede goals, they mustn't concede goals like that on the continental stage because of njengoba bengishilo into encane uyaphanishwa ku-continental level. Uzoqala uNasho Miguel bafuna nothi ngishilo. But yeah, sisibheke ezinye esingakhuluma ngazo bafethu. Yazi ngibheke uCross i-history yakhe bafethu. Yazi lo muntu lo is properly developed, lakhulela ku-academy, udlala kahle ku-academy, uyalena naphesheya. Yazi lo muntu lo udlale naku-third division. I don't think abantu abaningi bayazi ukuthi uCross udlale naku-third division. They walithanda ngakhona ibhola under even i-Black Aces also wadlala nakhona third division. Cabanga la kunganama-salaries khona, but he was there because of uyalithanda ibhola. Waya nako-Germany, waya what is this la bekayi-captain khona e-England ku-Newcastle ku-under 23, udlala eGermany ku-Schalke ku-youth level, wadlala naku-under 19, and then kula sekabuya-ke la e-South Africa Maritzburg United Golden Arrows, and then i-Chiefs-ke seyamthatha. So and into ekumele siyincome ngo-Cross ukuthi akadlali i-position eyodwa. When he was called ukuthi akadlali i-left back waswitcha because lo muntu lo bekayi-centre back, so i-versatility yakhe i-important, and ke wadlala naku-defensive midfielder amagame awu-5 nje ku-career yakhe. Uyambona ukuthi u-versatile la abizwa khona ukuthi ndoda adlala la uyakwazi ukudlala, uyakwazi uku-adapta, so akabi nenkinga kuma-different positions. Then we go to so iplay libaluleke kakhulu bafethu elidlala kahle kakhulu. So I think ukhuphula ibha because kunoPaseka Mako, kunama-players a-different lise-Oshinga, and then kunoNkwesa okwaku-DDC team is understudy laphana kuma-senior teams, and then umuntu akalahlwa because last season bekubonakala ngathi indaba yakhe ayikho, but manje uvukile umfana emaqandeni. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoKwinika Kwinika noLebo cishe bakhuluma into efanayo bafethu izolo, uKwinika noMayo. uKwinika, I was even surprised ukuthi babona kuthiwa bama-underdogs against iZamalek. Nayo uMayo was surprised ukuthi iChiefs ibizwa ngama-underdogs. So uKwinika yena uvele wathi okay, they will take lento le kuthiwa ama-underdogs, they just have to know how to approach the game, izinto ezinjalo. But-ke uthukile nje iChiefs mebizwa ama-underdogs because it's rare because of iChiefs iyi-team enkulu. But at the same time, I would say iChiefs ama-underdogs versus iZamalek, to be honest, and ku-continental showpiece. I mean iZamalek ejwayele ukudlala ku-continental level every season, whereas iChiefs ayinayo low experience better than iZamalek ku-continental level. Kunama-tricks amaningi ewaziyo, and in recent years iZamalek seyiwinile ilokhu njani lama-title lawa ku-CAF Confederations Cup, even naku-Champions League. A couple of years badlala kahle kakhulu. They were even defeated by Al Ahly. I remember badlala i-final ne-Al Ahly bafowethu, babashaya laphana, i-match obonayo na ukuthi inzima kakhulu. So iside eli-serious ku-continental level, I think iChiefs, yes, bama-underdogs, but I wanna go to uMayo laphana mekhuluma ne-media ukuthi utheni. Uthe ukuthi iChiefs ukuthi not to say ukuthi iChiefs ama-underdogs, so uthi-ke bake badlala ku-CAF bona, so uthi khona i-experience eza nalokho ukuthi for ama-players ukuthi again, let's say I think so, form of experience each and every game le abayidlalayo, nanokuthi bayakwazi ukuqualify for lama competitions lawa. So uthi yena ngeke athi iChiefs ama-underdogs, so uthi njengoba uthi banayo i-history ku-continental level, asibambelana-ke. Injani i-history iChiefs ku-continental level? Yes, 2021 kwafika ku-final, but akusiyo i-team e-participate njalo year in year out. Yes, i-history iyavuma ukuthi they've been on the level before, and they've performed on this level before. So uthi uMayo ayikho i-difference enkulu between iChiefs neZamalek. So bona egamini-ke lapho ukuthi how are they gonna hold emotions when they are poked or provoked by ilona omani iZamalek. Why ngicabanga ngalala iZamalek? Yeah, it's gonna be a game and a half, to be honest. It's not an easy one for iChiefs, understanding with mele bawine. But ama-excuse bafethu, coach nama-player, they have to forget ama-excuse. They just have to focus egamini yabo. Forget ama-excuse bafethu. Njalo kumele uze nama-excuse because of you did not achieve something. No, but just focus egamini, udeliver ama-results. Mawuhlulekile, just take it ukuthi okay, uhlulekile, awukwazanga ukuwina, lese ukuthola ama-results, izinto ezinjalo. So and then work on it, man. Try and like work on that thing to improve going forward, because ukuba nama-excuse, ama-excuse awachange ama-results. So if you fail to win a game, just try and work on it ukuthi ukwazi uku-improve. So yeah, man, the game, I think kumele bazame ukushaya boma-3 ke, yabona uma bangashaya boma-3 I think kuzoba ne-hope ukuthi bayakwazi ukushaya iZamalek, meaning that if you are beating iZamalek, une-chance even yokuya all out ku-competition because of ushaya one of the best teams on the continent, to be fair. So yeah, it's a must-win game. It's a big one. I think uCross kumele aqale based on how he has been performing, to be honest. So, danko bafethu.